10 of the world's wonderful glass bridges. From the Rockies to the Alps, there is a growing demand for a new dimension in the way we take in the scenery. Led by the Chinese, there are now glass platforms, walkways, and bridges appearing in spectacular locations all around the world. These are some of the best ones out there. Number 10. Suspension Glass Bridge in Liuzhou. The first suspension glass bridge is located in Liuzhou City in Gongji Province. The glass-bottom bridge stretches 1,999 meters and is suspended over a 520-meter deep valley. Due to the lucky number of the height of the bridge, 520 means I love you in Chinese, it has been a hot place for lovers to express their loves. Over the bridge, you will be impressed by the dense virgin forest below your feet and feel thrilled when the bridge swings as you step on it. It is located in Shuanglong Valley Scenic Area, Rongshui County, Liuzhou City, Guangxi. It is about 200 kilometers from the famous Guilin. Number 9. Yunmenshan Glass Bridge. The Yunmenshan Glass Bridge is the first fully transparent glass bridge in Guangdong Province in South China. The length of the bridge is 316 meters, 1,037 feet. The vertical height is 168 meters, 551 feet, and the width is 2.8 meters, 9 feet. It can accommodate 500 people at the same time. The maximum daily reception capacity can reach 6,000. The bridge is suspended between two peaks. When stepping on the glass bridge, you will have a panoramic view of the breathtaking scenery of the canyon. Apart from the glass bridge, there are more things to do in the Tianmen Mountain scenic area, such as praying in the Yunmen Temple, drifting in the canyon. It is located in the Tianmen Mountain scenic area, Shuaogong City, about 250 kilometers from Guangzhou. Number 8. Shiniuzhai Glass Bridge in Hunan. Shiniuzhai Glass Bridge is located in Shiniuzhai National Geological Park, renowned for beautiful Ningxia landforms, in Pingjiang County in China's central Hunan province. It was built in 2015 and was China's first all-glass suspension bridge. Its name, Hewan Kuo, the Brave Men's Bridge, implies courage is needed to walk on it. It spans across two cliffs with a length of 300 meters, 984 feet, and a height of 180 meters, 590 feet, giving travelers an astonishing view below. There is also a glass walkway in the park. Different from other glass walkways, this 180-meter walkway is equipped with inductive electronic components. It can play wonderful notes according to the rhythm of the tourist walking it. It is located in Shiniuzhai Scenic Area, Pingjiang County, Hunan Province. Number 7. U-shaped glass skywalk in Chongqing. Located in Chongqing of southwest China, the spectacular U-shaped glass-bottom skywalk, called Yunduan, above the clouds, is the longest cantilever skywalk in the world, beating Arizona's Grand Canyon skywalk by 5.3 meters, 17.4 feet. It is a cantilever bridge built on a cliff with an altitude of 1,010 meters, 3,314 feet, hovering 718 meters, 2,356 feet above the ground, and extending 26.7 meters, 87.5 feet from the edge of a cliff. In 2015, the world's low-altitude skydiving master, Miles Dashry, jumped from the bridge, which made the bridge become a hotspot for extreme sports. In 2016, the World Low Sky Parachuting Competition was held on the bridge. Chongqing has another A-shaped glass walkway called the Sky Corridor, which is located at the Tianmen Mountain scenic area in the southwest Chongqing region. Number 6. Tianmen Mountain. If you have no time to travel to Zhangjiajie, you can pay a visit to Tianmen Mountain scenic area, which is at Pinggu District in outer Beijing, about 140 kilometers from the urban area. With splendid landscape, picturesque scenery, steep cliffs, magnificent peaks, and deep valleys, it was praised as Zhangjiajie in North China. Tianmen Mountain Glass Bridge spans between two mountains more than 200 meters, 656 feet, long and 2 meters, 6.6 feet wide. It is about 1,000 meters, 3,281 feet, above sea level and has a drop of about 300 meters, 984 feet. Connected to it is a giant glass viewing platform with an area of 600 square meters. You can choose to walk up all the way or take cableway part of the way to reach the glass bridge. The trip to the glass bridge can be completed in one-day return from Beijing. Even if not for the glass bridge, the hiking trip is rewarding with its beautiful canyon scenery. Number 5. 3D Glass Bridge over the Yellow River in Zhongwei, Ningxia. In 2017, China's first 3D glass bridge across the Yellow River was built in Zhongwei, northwest China's Ningxia Autonomous Region. The glass bridge has a total length of 210 meters, 689 feet, and a width of 2.6 meters, 8.5 feet. The vertical height of the bridge deck from the river surface is 10 meters, 33 feet. Each glass has a load capacity of 3 tons. What makes this bridge special is not only the transparent glass, but also the immersive 3D effect. Walking on it is like walking in the river. It provides tourists with an opportunity to appreciate the grandeur of the Yellow River from above. Number 4. Tianmen Mountain Glass Skywalk in Zhangjiajie. Different from the Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon Glass Bridge, Tianmen Mountain Glass Skywalks stretch around a cliff on Tianmen Mountain, which is located in Zhangjiajie City. Among 3 skywalks on the mountain, the Coiling Dragon Cliff Skywalk is the most famous one. The crystal clear bridge is 100 meters, 328 feet long, 1.6 meters, 5 feet wide, and about over 1,430 meters, 4,700 feet above sea level. Standing on the see-through skywalk, you can enjoy incredible views of Zhangjiajie's lovely landscapes and experience spine-tingling thrills. Number 3. Dachstein Skywalk. This aerial wonderland sits at 2,700 meters in the Alps and consists of a glass-bottom viewing platform, a suspension bridge, and a stairway to nothingness. An infeasible-looking precipice of 14 steps offers a dramatic view over the Dachstein Glacier. Number 2. Aiguille du Midi Skywalk. Step into the void. At an altitude of 3,842 meters, this 12-millimeter thick triple-layered glass box claims to be the highest attraction in Europe and is the closest you can get to Mount Blanc without crampons. It looks down on the Bossons Glacier, and the souvenir selfie makes it look like you're floating in air. Number 1. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, the most famous one. Zhangjiajie Glass Bridge, also called Yuntiandu, a way of clouds to the sky, is the most famous glass-bottom bridge in China. It has been a must-see attraction in Zhangjiajie since it opened to the public in 2016. It has been notable for the world's longest and tallest glass bridge, and it has been listed among the 11 most spectacular bridges in the world by CNN. The bridge is suspended about 300 meters, 984 feet, above the Zhangjiajie Grand Canyon and measures 430 meters, 1,410 feet in length and 6 meters, 20 feet in breadth. Up to 600 people are allowed on the glass bridge at one time. You are suggested to book a ticket in advance during peak season.